welcome back to my channel. Today I have a spring-inspired makeup look for you guys. When I think of spring, I think of flowers, I think of sweet pinks, corals, basically cute and girly things. So today I have somewhat of a look in mind. I kind of want to create a look that is very girly with a nice soft matte skin. The focus will be on pinks on the lips as well. So let's get started. So for today's foundation, I have decided to go in with my by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra-Foundation. I already applied a thin little layer over it so you guys can see how it looks like when it's set. I really like this foundation because it is very lightweight. It comes in a dropper like this. And it also contains hyaluronic acid, so it's really good for people with dry skin. But when I think of hyaluronic acid, I always think of, is the foundation gonna be like very glowy, very shifty? But the good thing about this is it will dry and settle down into a satin matte, semi-matte kind of finish. And I also decided to go in with this sponge. So they're super cute. They're from Etude House Heart Blossom Spring Collection. And they're just normal sponges, to be honest. They are like just the disposable sponges that are cut out into these gorgeous like bloom shapes. This is the base done. Next up, let's conceal. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I have been loving this concealer recently. And I think it's quite a good concealer for pretty much anyone because there are a lot of colors and the shade range is huge and it's full coverage but it's not heavy. Right now, I'm using the shade Vanilla and I think this is very suitable for my skin color. I'm usually like light medium, so if I have to buy like a Korean foundation, I'm usually N23, just to give you guys a gauge. We're pretty much done with our base. It's now time for brows. I've decided to go in with something very natural. Like I didn't really fill in that much. I just used a brow gel. This one is from Benefit. It's their 24 hours brow setter to just kind of separate the brow hairs a little bit further away. And now I'm going in with my Etude House, color my brows to give my hair a little bit more definition and also make them a little lighter to match my hair color. Next up, I'm gonna be using the Innisfree Cherry Blossom Eyeshadow Palette. This is such a gorgeous palette and it's gonna be my first time using it for this video. It reminds me quite a lot of your typical pink Korean road shop palette. It's very simple, 9 colors in a square like this. It doesn't come with a mirror, but I think that is what makes it beautiful, so you know the colors you're getting. The colors are so gorgeous. And you've got your shimmers, your glitter, you've got your mattes, and you've got your satin finishes. So can't wait to try it. I'm gonna first be taking a base color. So I'm taking this baby pink shade and applying it all across my eyelids. Oh, it's actually very soft and buttery. The color is gorgeous as well. So I'm just layering it up to about 2 to 3 layers so that the color is a lot more pigmented. You guys probably can't see it in the camera, but it does have a very nice wash of light baby pink on my eyelid and also on the lower lash line. Next up, I'm going in with this shade over here. It's a bright pink shade, a little bit more towards red. Just gonna apply it in the center of my eyelid. Next up, I'm going in with this shade over here. So this is a mauvey pinkish shade, which I think would tie in very well with the rest of the pinks that we just applied. And I'm using this to apply on the crease. So it adds as a kind of like a deeper contour for my eye socket. Let's pick up this pink shimmer and apply it right in the center of my eyelids. Oh wow, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of it on the lower lash line. Next up, I'm using this one from Candy Lab. Candy Lab is a Korean brand that is very popular in Korea and they have just launched in Guardian, so I'm very excited. And this is their Gleampop glitter in the shade 03 Dolled Up. So this one has kind of big chunks of glitter and it's in the pinkish shade and it looks like this. Very bright. So I'm just gonna apply it on my inner corners to just highlight the entire area and put lots of glitter. So these come in a couple of colors as well. You can get them all at Guardian. Next up, I'm taking this eyeshadow color, which is a matte brown with a little bit of reddish tones. I'm gonna use it as my eyeliner. So by using an eyeshadow as eyeliner, you get that very, very soft effect. Because I do have eyelash extensions on, I'm just not gonna go in too crazy with the eyeliner. I think I can afford to go in with a gel liner. This one is also brown from Lily by Red. And of course, you want to use the same eyeshadow to just go over the line once more to blend all of the colors out. Right now, I'm going in with a blush. So I'm gonna mix two blushes. This one is the Etude House Blossom Cheek in OR201 Just Clicked. It is kind of like a coral-ish shade. I'm gonna be taking this on my blush brush, load up a ton of it, and just hit it really, really close to where my eyes are, around here. So you get that very nice, very drunken, like you're just like smiling and blushing kind of look, because that's what spring exudes. Alright, and now I'm gonna be taking a mixture of these two shades from our eyeshadow palette and use it as blush as well. Just hitting the part where, like my eyeline, just straight down from here. So this is where I wanna highlight. Let's not forget our aegyosal. Now it's time to contour. I'm using Peri Para's V shading. I'm just gonna lightly contour my nose and just very slightly on the outer parts of my face because you don't want to make your face look too bronze. The point of this look is to keep your cheeks just really popping, cheeks and eyes and lips. I'm not going in too far with my contour, just the sides of the face. Next up, I'm gonna be using a mascara. This is the Etude House Spring Collection as well. It's called Volume Fix and it comes in a Cherry Blossom Brown. So it's a limited edition shade and I think it will go really well with the entire look. And because I have eyelash extensions, I'm just applying this on my lower lashes. And now it's time for the lips. Recently, I discovered this brand called Candy Lab. It's a new Korean brand that you can find in Guardian once again. This is their Gleampop The Velvet Lip Color. So I have two colors over here. One is called Sneak Peek number 10 as well as Blind Kiss number 5. So today I'm going to use both of them. But before that, I'm going to show you guys the swatches and why I like them because they are super smooth on your lips and they last very long. So let me swatch number 10 for you. So the colors are very pigmented as you guys can see, but you can also smear it out and get that really nice, just bitten kind of effect. So you want to do your gradient lip, your full-on bold lip, but it also allows you to create like a very nice just sheen like this. And the texture just goes on so velvety smooth on your lips. And also it lasts very long. So this is the shade Sneak Peek and I think it's one of their best selling colors and it's very easy to see why. So it's extremely lightweight on the lips. It just makes your lips look so much smoother. And personally for me, I have very dry lips. I even have eczema lines on my lips if you look closely. But this lipstick doesn't accentuate that and it's really, really rare to find a very pigmented lipstick that is kind of like a velvet matte texture and yet doesn't do that on my lips. So now I'm just going in with a little bit more. I'm using my fingers to smudge out the sides. This shade just completely brightens up the entire look. Next up, I have 05 Blind Kiss. This is a much brighter red with a little bit of pinks in it. So I'm just gonna use this and layer it in the middle. I'm just gonna use my sponge to dab away and create a little more gradient. So I think this makeup look is complete. So I've got these clips that I got from my Innisfree press kit. I'm gonna just style my hair. Okay, and I'm back. So I have my flower clips here as well as some flower stickers. I hope you guys have a wonderful spring and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave everything in the description box below and tell me what you want to see next. I would love to just create the videos that you want to see. I'll talk to you in the comments. Bye!